Have you ever tried to serialize data in Python only to find yourself stuck with naming issues? It can be frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to serialize a marshmallow field under a different name. I know how annoying it is when your code doesn't produce the output you expect. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Marshmallow and serialization. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Is there a way to tell Marshmallow to serialize the fields using different names?" They provided a JSON output example and mentioned the need for underscores in the output. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? Marshmallow doesn't serialize private members by default, which can lead to naming conflicts. We'll break down how to customize the serialization process step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you streamline your serialization process even further. To achieve the desired output, the user needs to customize the field names in the Marshmallow schema. This can be done by using the data key parameter in the field definitions. Next, the user should update the schema to include the data key for both the ID and time fields. This will ensure that the output JSON has the correct keys. Now, the user can add any additional fields they need, such as more data, to the schema. This will allow for a complete presentation of the desired JSON structure. Finally, the user should create an instance of the schema and serialize the data. This will produce the output JSON with the specified field names. Did you know? The name Marshmallow comes from the soft, fluffy confectionery. Just like the treat, it makes data serialization a little sweeter. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to override the dump method in your Marshmallow schema. This allows you to prepend underscores to specific fields before returning the serialized object. You can also use the post-dump decorator for a separate method, but this may require hard-coding the fields, which could be less flexible. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always document your custom fields and their serialization logic. This will save you time and confusion in future projects. And there you have it. You should now be able to serialize your Marshmallow fields under different names with ease. Remember, customizing your schema can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on advanced serialization techniques.